So, hello and welcome to the EEPROM 9. Jesus fucking Christ, has it been a long time since I've put up any sort of video in context of this sort of shit. So, today, me and a friend went to Look Mum No Computers museum. And I fixed an IBM 5150 for him while I was there. The exhibits are so interactive, you're actually free to repair them if you want. And so, at the end of it, he gave me a Commodore Plus 4 tape drive, which I've since tested and works a treat. So I can actually stick software on this thing now. Oh yeah, apparently the delete key isn't working, so I need to fix that. But if we run it, it's my classic little program I made while I was at work, back when I used to work in the office, which I did on the Amstrad, which is sitting down there because I just copied it off there onto there, and works a treat. And yeah, you sure you don't want to be on video? Yeah, he doesn't want to appear on video, which is fair enough. Yeah, we got this beauty working, so hopefully that might actually mean I'll make some fucking videos sometime soon, rather than be a lazy asshole and don't. But yeah, last time this appeared in a video was back when I got it working with the, oh, I just saw that slow down as it gets to the higher numbers. That's cool. Watching it slow down. There we go. Was back when I fixed it, when I basically programmed the EEPROM as a new PLA for it, because the original PLA was dead. Yeah, the EEPROM method works, and it works with a tape drive. That's confirmed now. And that's most of the functionality. So next thing to do is either download or buy some tapes and get recording. That means I need to acquire more blank tapes. But for now, that is all until next time, whenever I decide to not be a lazy arsehole and actually make a video. Oh yeah, I've got this Hikvision camera to repair as well. Should probably do that on a video, shouldn't I? Thanks for watching.